This. Here's the damage. This is bent over. So you can see one there. Here I only had one little one up there. Now there's another big one. I gotta listen to for crackling. Here's another one that fell before when I was out, and it got hung up on the power line. I guess it's got a piece of metal all the way on top. Oh, there we go. There you go. There's another one. Okay. Here's the side of the house. I didn't even hear that one crack. Let me see, 51 seconds. Here, on the other side, it fell along here. Okay. There's the deck. That's my deck. Let me see what else. Here's the other parts that fell. I gotta keep an ear out. Look at this. Here's one piece just from there to there. There's a whole bunch. Well, whoa. Here's the deck. Here it goes to there. That went all the way there. This fell too over here. That's a new one. Yeah, we're gonna be cleaning up here tomorrow. Okay.